Wow, she's really too sexy for her clothes. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with Miss Mikumaring Ultra Maldita,
Hi, this is Alex
and
Brosas.
you are watching the Kitty Show, Tarayan and Talakayan Showbiz Edition. And our topic for today, in our difficult round, is the fashion statement that Heart Evangelista did during the recent Paris Fall-Winter Fashion Week. What say you, Mare? Ano nga ba ang paandar ni Love Marie Ong Pauque Escudero sa streets of Paris?
Well, Heart Evangelista was in her makabogera fashion mode.
Statement? Oh.
Oo.
Bakit ang makabugera? Ano ba suot niya?
My God.
Peak, Magic Camisón o ang Magic pantulog?
See-through.
Ay!
See-through na,
See-through?
backless pa.
Anong drama? Paano ang buong eksena?
Can you imagine walking on the streets of Paris
Mhm.
na ang dami-daming tao, ang daming kibitsa, ang daming photographers, ang daming models, ang daming lahat. Tay, bumulaga siya talaga, day.
Mhm.
Sheer,
Sheer yung tela.
yung tela, so see-through.
Mhm.
One nipple tape, day.
Oh, braless!
Oo,
Okay.
braless.
Mm.
Tapos pag naka-side, yung side ng ng bubelya,
Side ng boobs niya.
sightseeing.
Oh,
Magsa-sightseeing.
okay.
Tapos, buong back.
Super backless.
Super kita ang buong back.
Oh, very Aramina.
Oo, very, I think that the dress is aptly described as barely there.
Okay.
Talagang
Oo. And ano pa yung pangabog?
the pangabog was in the buttocks.
Okay.
Kasi she was wearing a black deconstructed pants.
Mhm.
Nay, warak yung yung puwetan.
Akit, so naaaninag ang kanyang buttocks.
Oo.
Kasi may parang may naka-cover pang sheer.
Oo. Kumbaga nag-extend sa back yung sheer. Ganun lang.
So ano reaction ng mga tao?
Di, delighted na delighted. She was a photographer's delight. Talagang
Mhm.
tsuk. Click ang mga
Mhm.
photographers.
Didn't she look cheap
No.
talaga?
Mm-mm.
Just because she's Heart Evangelista?
Oo.
Meron bang violent reaction sa outfit niya?
Actually, mix ang reaction sa
Okay.
social media.
Mhm.
There were netizens saying na bakit naman ganun daw siya manamit?
Mhm.
Parang hindi raw siya Pilipina.
Mhm.
Parang parang exposed na lahat.
Mhm.
Oh, so parang yung iba naman ay found her outfit very creative,
Mhm.
very fashion forward.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Is this a face of heart na because of showing off her figure
Mm.
and her skin?
Mm.
Is she trying to make people sexually objectify her? Because if
No.
with that kind of outfit,
No.
posible hindi ka ma-sexually objectify.
No.
So ano na-
It doesn't come off that way.
It did
Because
come up.
one,
Mhm.
she's not a bold star.
Okay.
Two, very aesthetically pleasing yung yung outfit.
Mhm.
It does not cheapens her.
Oh.
Oo.
Well, yes, because that's not cheap on her because it's hard. Ang gusto ko lang malaman talaga is, hindi naman siya natakot sa pulmonya dahil super backless at fall-winter collection yon, di malamig pa sa Paris.
Sanay siya sa aircon, di ba?
So
Airconada ang bahay, airconada ang kwarto, aircon everywhere she goes.
Ibig sabihin, makapal ang balat niya. Pag makapal ang balat mo, hindi ka talaga mabilis tablan ng lamig. So, hindi rin tumigas ang utong niya.
Hindi.
So matigas nga talaga ang balat niya.
Ha?
Di ba? Kasi kung sensitive ang balat mo at malamig, may mga reaction na normal ang katawan mo. Tama? Hindi ba? So, ibig sabihin, there's something not so normal about her body already. Dahil, sabi mo, sanay sa aircon, so nung lumampas siya sa Paris sa ganung kaginaw, walang reaction ng katawan niya.
Mm-mm.
Ergo, makapal na at matigas ang balat niya.
Ganon?
Oo. Ikaw
Diyos
ba,
ko.
magsuot ka ng sheer, umampa ka sa banabid na lugar, hindi titigas ang utong mo?
Hindi.
Ay, sinungaling. Sigilan ako.
Aray ko.
Di ba?
Diyos
Sa akin
ko.
kasi, she's Heart Evangelista, she can do whatever she wants, she's fashion forward. Sa akin, that's it. What I'm just trying to imply is that makapal ang balat niya.
Mm.
Diba? Pag makapal ang balat mo, sanay ka sa lamig, o di sige, lumampa ka ng parang halos kita na ang kaluluwa mo.
Alam mo kasi, ang thinking ko doon is,
What was her statement?
she want to provide shock factor.
At the height of Women's Month?
Oo.
So isa rin siya sa mga empowered woman na gusto
Oo.
mang-shock ng mga tao, kagaya rin ng mga babae nakikipagkaldaran sa mga artista.
Oo.
Di ba empowerment din yon? Ang level
Ay,
nila pala pareho.
Hindi. Ibang
Hindi,
empowerment naman yun.
Naku.
Kasi pang empowerment man naman
Ay,
yung mga women
ito
in ano.
nagkataon lang si Heart Evangelista siya, pero kung iba nagsuot nito, kachipan na.
Oh well, kasi may leveling naman
But
eh.
yun nga, what I'm
diba?
trying to say is,
Mm.
this is still her sign of empowerment.
Mm.
You show skin, you show your bosom. Are you even perky?
Oo naman.
You show your bosom, you show a side of your boobs,
Mm.
you show your buttocks. You're literally telling to the whole world na, this is how beautiful I am. Maglaway kayo.
Ay, yun ang fashion statement
Yun
niya.
nga ang fashion
na ano,
statement
na,
niya. She's
At my age, 41 na kasi siya, di
Ayun,
ba?
at 40
I'm still, gorgeous.
At
I'm still,
41, I deserve
sexy.
to be objectified. Yun ang statement. Hindi niya na sexy. Gusto niya pag nasaan siya.
Ha? Talaga ba?
Oo. At 41, di ba remember there was a time when Dina Bonnevie, at 41, also became the cover of FHM. And it had so many repeats. And Dina was so flattered about it because at her age, at 41, she was being objectified at sinasamba ng kalalakihan.
Talaga ba?
Oo. Hindi ba? And Dina was honest enough to admit it. And something that Heart will never admit, of course. Na, I was just there promoting my style. I was just following my stylist. I was not there to be objectified. For crying out loud, ayaw mo ma-objectify ka, tapos kita na halos ng buong katawan mo. Sana pati yung area mo ng pagkababae mo, hindi mo na rin tinakpan.
Ay!
Tinodo mo na rin yung pantyless. Parang yung ginagawa ng mga bold stars ng 80s. Nila Tet Antiquiera, nila Ellen kung sino-sino na umaakit ng mga kung anong-anong awards. Walang bra, walang panty, sheer. O kaya parang si Sharon Stone, di ba? Sa basic ising, nag-cross legs ka na rin sa Paris. Nagkakaganong ka sa silya. Tapos nakikita yung hindi dapat makita, yung beaver shot mo. Di ba? Huwag akong artihan na I'm not doing this para bastusin ako. I'm doing this because I have class. I'm Heart Evangelista. Pag ako nagpa-sexy, hindi bastusin. That's what you think. Kasi niloloko mo ang sarili mo.
Kaloka ka naman, hindi ba pwedeng ano? So lahat ng nagpo-post ng nakabikini, they want to be objectified?
I'm not saying na lahat ng nagpo-post. What I'm saying is she. Because she is Heart Evangelista. Hindi ba? Yung Junakis nga ng Express ko din, hindi ba nag-post na nakabikini? Di ba? Tinanggap ko naman. Kasi sino ba siya? Wala akong concern sa kanya. Di ba? But this is Heart Evangelista. This person, prior to her getting married to Chis Escudero, na-interview ko. One-on-one. She is the sweetest, the most intelligent. And in 5 minutes, na-make-upan niya ang sarili niya. On her own, ha? Walang makeup artist. And she was very honest. So, natuwa ako. Then, you actually see her growing up in fashion na talaga ang ganda-ganda, well put together. Dito lang talaga sa statement niyang to, dito lang ako na-off. Parang, maybe she's growing up. Maybe she wants to be more daring. That's her take. Pero, as someone who adores her from afar, nabigla ako sa statement na to. Kaya that's where I'm coming from. Kaya inis na inis ako sa paglulumandi niyang ito. Kaya nakausap ko siya, hindi siya one-on-one yun, ha? Sa bahay niya pa mismo. Sa bahay
that was decades ago.
Kahit pa, you grow up. Hindi na ba siya ganito dati sa mga fashion weeks, ha? Hindi ba?
Eh, syempre may development.
Yun nga, ang development niya nga, this is a development that I do not like. And as someone who adores her, parang karapatan ko naman sabihin na, ay, Ihan, ikaw nagustuhan yung ginawa mo. Ikaw nagustuhan mo, walang masama. Diba?
Oo, kasi wala naman siyang wala naman siya, it's not vulgar, it's not, I think she was at one point parang decently clad pa rin kasi wala naman ng basto sa kanya dun sa
Well, kasi nga, it's Paris.
Di ba?
Alam naman, Paris, napaka-progressive. At
Oo, pero
doon talaga.
ang Paris din, ang daming mga tarantado dyan. Ang daming mga bastos din dyan. Ang daming snatchers din dyan.
But because she's Heart Evangelista,
diba?
and she is in that corner, maraming mga tao. Sino naman maghe-heckle sa kanya doon at magbabastos? Alam naman ng media.
Pero Paris is not a paradise.
Yes. Alam niyo po,
Diba?
okay, ma-offend mga Fransesa, mapanghi sa Paris. Babaho, maraming holdupper, maraming snatcher.
Diba?
Diba? At totohanan yan. And again, Heart, thank you so much for steering my feelings as someone who adores you from afar. And I hope sa mga susunod mong fashion paandar, matanggap ko na yes, you are growing up. What's your final word for Heart Evangelista?
Heart, wear what you want. Bye.
Bye! This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love, na inaanyayahan kayo manood ng reality show sa aming Giant Tirada YouTube channel at sa Facebook pagina. Pinapalabas po kami tuwing Sabado at Linggo, alas 4 ng hapon. Mare, your goodbye message to all?
Thank you for watching us. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye! Happy Sunday to all!